The best way to describe the ICW program right now is it's a 2-year program, and they focus on residential wiring for a semester, and then we spend a semester doing commercial wiring, and then they do an internship over the summer, and then they come back in their second year and they get motor controls and PLCs, as well as industrial electricity. In those 2 years, we offer kind of a wide range of electrical so that we can expose students to kind of every aspect of electricity today. And so after they complete that, the state of Iowa recognizes that. Now they can go out and they can work towards getting their journeyman or their master's license. Most of our students, when it comes to personality, they're geared towards they just want to go out and they want to work. Students that come from our program, they really are geared towards that hands-on. They like that hands-on learning. They like to be busy, something different every day. And that's kind of what the electrical industry provides.
I would tell other people to come here because our instructors are top of the line. I love to work with my hands. We get to do hands-on stuff every day.
Students spend about 2/3 of their time doing hands-on stuff and about 1/3 of their time in the classroom setting. It's really geared towards applying what we understand with electricity, and then we take it down here and we actually work with it and we actually utilize it in our booth. The unique thing with our electrical program is it was the first program in the state of Iowa to be recognized by the State Electrical Examining Board. The other thing is it's been around for 50+ years.
Something that stands out about the ICW program here is definitely this lab. This lab is incredible. I feel like we all learn a lot down here.
Yeah, so when a student graduates with their ICW degree, which is a 2-year program, they have an option to go for another summer semester and a fall semester, and that allows them to get the introductory of industrial instrumentation and control, as well as advanced PLC. So if they like more of the maintenance technician role, where they're going in doing a little more programming, they have that option to take this extra 2 semesters and they graduate with what we call an electrical technology degree.